In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view the mobile version of your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website you want to preview. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Once you're in the editor, look at the top right corner of the screen. Next to the Help option, you'll see a desktop preview icon. Click it to open the device preview menu. From the available options, select Mobile. The editor will instantly switch to the mobile preview, allowing you to see how your website looks on smartphones and tablets. Scroll through your pages to check that your text, images, buttons, and other elements display correctly. If needed, switch back to the desktop view at any time to continue editing your site. After reviewing your mobile layout and making any necessary changes, publish your website so your updates go live. That's how to view the mobile version of your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.